Hello students. Today is the last lecture of this halogen derivative of new syllabus. The last point is related to some polyhalogen compounds, their uses and their environmental effects. These polyhalogen compounds are used in our day-to-day lives. So we are begin with some useful compounds and their environmental effects. First is dichloromethane. Its IUPAC name, commercial name or common name is methylene dichloride, well known by MDC. CH2 bonded to two chlorine atoms. Molecular formula is CH2Cl2. It's a colorless volatile liquid having sweet aroma. That means it has fragrance. Used as solvent in various chemical reactions. Most of the time we use solvent other than water. In worldwide consumption of industries, isopropyl alcohol is largely used in other than water solvent. But after isopropyl alcohol, we use methylene dichloride on large scale. That means one number goes to water, is a universal solvent. Second number is isopropyl alcohol, and third is MDC. That means on the large scale, methylene dichloride is used as solvent in various chemical reactions. Used as propellant in aerosols. Aerosols, that means the sprays we used in our day-to-day life. Sprays that like body sprays, in our household sprays. It is used as propellant. That means it pressurizes the components to throw on the surface. Okay. Now, their environmental effects. Environmental effects of methylene dichlorides are as overexposure. That means if we largely in contact with MDC, it causes dizziness. That means feeling uncomfortable and likely to feel like unconsciousness. Fatigue. That means large workload in our short period. That means we feel too much exhausted. Nausea. That means feeling uncomfortable, like vomiting feelings. Headache, as we know, numbness, become unconscious at the end of this finger. This is numbness. Weakness. Direct contact of eye will affect cornea. That means losing the vision of eye. This is the serious effect of MDC. Second polyhalogen compound we are used in our laboratory also, chloroform. It is IUPAC name is trichloromethane, in which CH group is bonded to other three chlorine atoms. Molecular formula is CHCl3. Colorless liquid having peculiar sweet smell. Peculiar, that means highly recognizable, which is affect to our nose and also causes headache also. Peculiar, used in preparation of freons, that is refrigerants, which are cooling agents. Used as solvent in some reaction. Source of dichlorocarbon, that means CHCl2 is the dichlorocarbon used in preparation of salicylic acid. So, this is the useful starting material in preparation of some compounds. Its environmental effect is the first, on overexposure, it can depress the central nervous system. That means our central nervous system will lack in activity. Our work ability decreases. Over inhaling causes fatigue. It means feeling too much exhausted, dizziness, feeling like we are going our senses, or feeling unconsciousness. Headache. On long exposure, it can damage liver also. Chloroform combines with air in presence of sunlight and produces phosgene like a poisonous gas which can causes death also. So, exposure of chloroform and air in presence of sunlight is avoided. Third chemical compound of polyhalogen derivative is carbon tetrachloride. It is tetrachloromethane is IUPAC name. One carbon atom bonded to all four chlorine atoms. CCl4 is the formula. It's a colorless liquid having sweet odor, used as solvent in reaction, in aromatic reaction most of the time used. CCl4 as a solvent. It's a source of chlorine, used as cleaning agents also. On some surface, some greases can be removed by CCl4. Highly toxic to liver. CCl4 can damage liver also. Similar to chloroform, it can depress central nervous system. It is carcinogenic in nature. Carcinogenic means it can cause cancer. Overexposure can causes death. That means CCl4 on overexposure to a person causes a death. Fourth compound of polyhalogen derivatives is iodophore. IUPAC name is triiodomethane. CHI3 is the molecular formula. It is a yellowish crystalline substance used in medicines. The cream applied on the wounds is a iodophore. It acts as an antiseptic. These are the uses. It causes irritation to skin and eye. It can cause, on overexposure or over applying, causes this type of effect, irritation of skin and eye, causes breathing difficulty. If we inhale too much iodophore, we feel breathing difficulty. Visual disturbance is rarely seen in case of iodophore. That means on the large exposure of iodophore feels like visual disability. Fifth compound is freon. Freon, there are too many chlorofluorocarbons which are act as refrigerant. There are so many patented freons are available. On the basis of this patent, various refrigerating and air conditioning companies patented freons are used. Patented freons are designated as R1, R2, R22, R23, R24 and so on. Here are some examples. CHCl, CH2, ClF, CF2Cl2, CHF2Cl, CHCl2F are the sub-examples of these freons. It's used as a refrigerant in AC, fridges and propellants. Used as solvent also. It's a blowing agent in packing material which is used in our large instrument to carry out on large distances. Like TV, fridge. These instruments are packaged in material is blown up by these freons. Larger problem with this freons is can deflate ozone layer. Overexposure to this can affect breathing problem also. Last member of this series is dichlorodiaphenyl trichloroethane, that is DDT. Para, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro, ethane is also common name. Here the structure of this molecule, 2 carbons, that means ethane. First carbon is bonded to 3 chlorine atom, trichloroethane. On the benzene ring we see para position is occupied by chlorine, that means dichloro-diphenyl, trichloroethane. It's a colorless crystalline solid. Insecticide property. It can kill insect, houseflies and mosquitoes also. It prevents from the malaria and typhus, which is caused by mosquitoes also. That means malaria and typhus are similar in disease form. Overexposure to this DDT causes vomiting like feeling. Adverse effect of this is seen in case of some animals which are testing on DDT. There are some problems shown in laboratory on the testing animals is adverse effect on liver of the testing animal and their reproduction. This is the non-biodegradable pollutants, hence can available on the soil for a long time and become infertile soil. This is the last point of this topic. So you have any kind of query, you can ask